अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट। आज के इस वीडियो में सिविक्स के इम्पोर्टेंट बिट्स पेश किए जा रहे हैं। डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस और डायरेक्ट आंसर्स। ये बिट्स जेएल, ग्रुप्स एग्ज़ाम्स, टेट, टीआरटी और मुख्तलिफ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स में इंशाअल्लाह ज़रूर काम आएंगे। तो समाअत फरमाइए। डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस, direct answers. Question: the sum of special grants to be made to the various states is determined by. Answer: the president. Question: which was the first linguistic state to be created? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Question: the 8th schedule of the Constitution has. Answer: 18 languages. Question: when the voters take part in the elections of their representatives in the government, the system is known as. Answer: direct democracy. Question: the concept of self-government, secularism, nationalism, economic reform, representative institution, etc. in our constitution reflects the principle of. Answer: liberalism. Question: from the constitution of which country was the concept of fundamental rights and judicial review taken? Answer: United States of America. Question: the Golaknath case regarding fundamental rights took place in. Answer: 1967. Question: the authority to alter the boundaries of states in India rests with the. Answer: Parliament. Question: the detailed provisions regarding a question about the termination of citizenship are contained in the Citizenship Act passed by the Parliament in. Answer: 1955. Question: a significant implication of "we the people" in the preamble is that the Constitution is created by. Answer: people of India. Question: who regulates the rights of citizenship by law? Answer: the Parliament. Question: on whom does the Constitution confer the responsibility of safeguarding the fundamental rights? Answer: the Supreme Court and High Courts. Question: which article empowers the individual to move the Supreme Court directly for violation of any fundamental rights? Answer: Article 32. Question: the writ issued to an authority to do its public duty is. Answer: mandamus. Question: which amendments established the importance of directive principles over certain fundamental rights? Answer: 42 Amendment. Question: one of the directive principles is that the state shall introduce free and compulsory education for all children up to the age of. Answer: 14 years. Question: which bodies has been assigned the duty of inquiring into and advising upon disputes which may have arisen between states? Answer: Interstate Council. Question: who was the first chairman of the Planning Commission of India? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Question: a finance commission is appointed by the president to recommend division of revenue between the center and states for every answer 5 years. Question. States get a share of the revenue from answer income tax. Question. Which parliamentary committee is known as the Ombudsman? Answer Petitions Committee. Question. How many members of the Lok Sabha are elected by the Union Territories? Answer. Not more than 20. Question. The joint sitting of Indian Parliament for transacting a legislative business is presided over by answer Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question. The chairman of which committee is usually drawn from the opposition? Answer Public Account Committee. Question. Who appoints the Speaker pro tem of Lok Sabha? Answer the President. Question. The Indian President does not enjoy answer qualified veto. Question. On papers, who declares war of peace? Answer the President. Question. Name the President in whose election the second preference of the members of Electoral College was taken into consideration. Answer V.V. Giri. Question. The position of the President of India is analogous to answer the Queen of United Kingdom. Question. Who presides over the meetings of the Council of Ministers in India? Answer the Prime Minister. Question. Who is called the first among equals? Answer the Prime Minister. Question. Who took over the Prime Ministership at the time of death of Jawaharlal Nehru? Answer Gulzari Lal Nanda. Question. An order of court to produce a man in detention is called? Answer habeas corpus. Question. The theory of basic structure of the Constitution was propounded by the Supreme Court in the answer Keshwananda Bharati case. Question. Who presided over the inaugural session of Constituent Assembly? Answer Sachidanand Sinha. Question. The words socialist and secular were added to the preamble of the Constitution of India by the Dash Constitution Amendment Act 1976. Answer 42 Amendment. Question. Right to property is a? Answer legal right. Question. How can a citizen protect his fundamental rights? Answer by a writ in the Supreme Court of India. Question. An interpretation of the Indian Constitution is based on the spirit of the Dash. Answer Preamble.